everyone, this is Teacher Kaye. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about grandfather gift ideas. If you're a person who was able to really meet your grandpa, at least one of them, you're indeed a lucky one. Me personally, I wasn't able to meet at least one of my grandpas. So if you're that person whose grandpa, at least one of them, is still alive, then make sure to give them the best treat that you can if possible. Thus, here we are. I'm sharing to you 17 gift ideas for your grandpa who is living the good life in his golden years. I promise he'll be thrilled, guaranteed. Again, all the gift items that will be mentioned in this video are linked in the description box down below for you to check out later. Without further ado, let's start. Number 1 is UGG slippers. This is for the gramps who enjoy staying at the house. These slippers that are linked in the description box down below, I guarantee are ultra warm and soft slippers. Number 2 is spectacle holder. This is a perfect gift for somebody who's always forgetting where he placed his own spectacles. Number 3 is breakfast sandwich maker. This sandwich maker will help your grandpa cook his breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich in just minutes. This is perfect for brunch or quick healthy meal on the go. Number 4 is how to babysit a grandpa. Sounds interesting. Well, let me read the description. It says here, celebrate the special bond between grandpas and grandchildren in this delightful New York Times bestseller that puts the kids in charge. Well, basically, this book will come with a funny and heartwarming celebration between grandpas and their grandchildren. This is a great gift for or from a grandparent because it's perfect for lap reading whenever grandpa comes to visit. Number 5 is woven sleep jam short. This lightweight fabric short is a great alternative for pajama pants. Number 6 is insulated mug. Well, this one will keep grandpa's morning brew nice and warm as he flips through the paper. Number 7 is easy twist jar and bottle opener. This is for the grandpa who won't let anything such as arthritis or otherwise stand between him and his favorite jarred food. Number 8 is men's fleece bathrobe. Of course, why won't you give him a cozy soft robe, right? Number 9 is customized face socks. Well, the one linked down below, they are super comfortable and the photo printing still looks good even when it's stretched over big feet. Just a suggestion, why don't you upload a photo of your own face so that your grandpa can gaze adoringly at his favorite grandkid all day long. Number 10 is what I love about grandpa, fill-in journal. Well, if you have seen my previous video about grandma gift ideas, I also featured this book that is the grandma version. Well, this one contains fill in the blank prompts to describe why your grandpa is the best. All you have to do is complete those lines and voila! You will have a uniquely personal gift that grandpa will read again and again. Make it nostalgic, loving, or grumpy as you choose. Number 11 is neck massager with heat. Finally, if all else fails, not many grandparents would say no to a shiatsu neck massager. Plus, if your grandpa falls asleep, there's this overheat protection and a 15-minute auto shut-off. Number 12 is weighted blanket. Pamper your grandpa by giving him this weighted blanket to make him feel comforted at home. And don't forget to pat yourself on the back because grandma's up next. Number 13 on my list is bedside essentials pocket. A bedside table in a pocket. Yes, you heard that right. You can keep his books, tablet, or other reading or writing material handy with this convenient felt pouch. This one also works for couches. With this one, everything is at arm's length and creates a clutter-free environment. Number 14 is whiskey and rum making kit. Along with a timeless design, This attractive barrel works like the ones in the professional distillery. Well, in just 2 weeks, he'll be able to age his own concoction of favorite spirits. Number 15 is portable card-sized magnifiers. This is a compact credit card-sized magnifier that fits nicely in a wallet. Plus, this one contains a built-in LED light and is extremely versatile for reading books, newspapers, magazines, coupons, label stamps, hobby crafts, etc. Number 16 is Ultimate Beard Collection. This is for the grandpa who's sporting a serious facial hair in his golden years that only Lux products can tame. Number 17 is Ultimate Spice Gift Set. Does your grandpa love to cook and grill out? Then he'll love these spices to enhance his dishes. The one linked down below is from Chef Kenny's Ultimate Blends Gift Set. In other words, you can only expect high quality fresh seasoning. Alright, which gift item is your favorite for your grandpa? Don't forget to comment it down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next week for more exciting contents. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye!
It's RSM.